Bull. Nice, that's better than I did last time. Dang it. Bull. 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 Whoops. Guess I'm taking my option on that one. Bull. Okay. Bull. 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 Dang it. All right, we're gonna do that one again. Bull. Dang. Bull. There we go. Bull. I'll do it again. Bull. Bull. We'll do one more. If I miss this, I'm gonna give up for now. Bull. Yeah, I genuinely have no clue what I'm doing. Bull. Bull. Nice, that's better than I did last time. Did I hit both on 5 the first time?
So it was high, then you missed.
Missed low, okay. Bull. Bull. All right. Bull. Ah, dang it. We'll do that again, high. Bull. 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 That was better than last time. I feel like I might be doing better than last time so far. We'll see. Bull. 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 All right. Bull. Bull. Ah, I was behind that, dang it. Let's do that one more time. Bull. All right, so what do you got for that? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's better. All right, well, I'm gonna pick up my shells. Thank you, man, I appreciate your help.